Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Want to let your customers upload multiple images directly on your Shopify product page? Whether you're selling custom t-shirt designs, personalized gifts, or just want an easy way for shoppers to share their artwork or photos, this tutorial will walk you through exactly how to add a multiple image upload option on your Shopify store. By the end, you'll have a professional, user-friendly upload feature live on your product page, ready to take your business to the next level. Let's jump right in. First, we need to head over to the theme customization area in Shopify. Go to your online store, then click on Themes and hit Customize. This is the control center for how your storefront looks and feels. Think of it like arranging the furniture in a physical store. Take a moment to let the customizer load. Now, you're looking for the template section. This is usually along the left side or top, depending on your theme. Hover over Product Information. This is the part of your product page where details, options, and custom sections live. Next, let's add a new section to your product information area. You should see a little plus button. Click that to add a new section. From the menu that pops up, choose Custom Liquid. This is a powerful feature where you can insert custom code, almost like slipping a secret compartment into your product page. Don't worry if you're not a coder, because we'll use a generator for this next part. Now, open a new tab and head to Amin Amari's code generator. This tool is fantastic because it does the heavy lifting for you. In field settings, you want to add a file upload field. Select image as the file type and make sure to enable multiple files. This lets your customers select more than one photo at a time, which is especially useful for custom or personalized products. Once you've set these options, the site will generate a piece of code for you. Copy that code, just like copying a recipe for later. Switch back to the Shopify customizer and paste the code into the custom liquid section you just added. This is where your new upload field lives. You can now drag and drop this section to exactly where you'd like it on the page, maybe right above the buy button or below product details. Think about where it'll be easiest for your customers to spot and use. Test out the positioning. Don't worry if you don't nail it the first time. You can always move it around until it feels just right. Next, let's fine-tune the buy buttons. Click on the buy button section within your customizer, and you'll see an option to disable checkout buttons. For stores that handle custom orders or need some extra info from customers before purchase, disabling the instant checkout can prevent confusion and make sure customers upload their images before completing their order. Once you've adjusted these settings, hit Save in the top right corner. Your changes won't go live until you do, so don't skip this step. Now, give it a test run. Click the Upload File button and select a few images from your computer. You should see that you can upload multiple files at once. If you're working with products that need design proofs or photo references, this upload area makes the process smooth and professional for both you and your customers. Remember, sometimes uploads can take a few moments, especially with larger files, so be patient as you check that everything's working. And just like that, you've added a slick, multiple image upload feature to your Shopify store. That's going to make your product pages stand out and give your customers the flexibility they need when ordering personalized products. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment with any questions or tips, and subscribe for more expert Shopify tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.